Let's punch another hole. What is up, YouTube? What is up? Subscribers, thanks for clicking on the video. For non-subscribers, thanks for clicking on the video. I appreciate it. Welcome to Chris Be Living. So this is what I be living today. Living like oblivion. So this video is more of a, I'm kind of embarrassed about it, to be honest. It's pretty embarrassing, but I'm gonna lay it out there to everybody so you don't let the same thing happen to you. So for the past couple of years, we've been getting into the housing industry, more the rental industry, housing rental, single family dwellings. So we got a few units, and the house that I've been working on, I got it on wholesale and been making progress, gutted it, working on some rooms, got the house painted. Then came the roof. You know, I felt some pressure on getting the roof done because I had a good deal and I didn't vet my contractor good enough. Friend of the family, knew him all the way through school. Didn't even check if he was a licensed contractor, didn't check for references. I was just looking to get it done quick and cheap. And a month and a half later, I'm still paying the price for it. And not cool at all. I probably lost about $7,000 out of this deal. And now today, you know, enough is enough. Because I can't lose any more money. I'm better off getting it done right. And that's the lesson to everybody watching. If you are going to get in the housing market or single family dwelling rentals, find good contractors. Do not do what I did. And I'm going to show you videos and some pictures of what this has caused me. And honestly, it's excuse after excuse after excuse after excuse, or why he's not showing up. The last time he showed up to work on the roof was officially 6 weeks ago, but every day he has a good excuse. So I'm gonna call it the 30 days of Jay. So if you're watching this video, this is for you. It's not Christmas. It's the 30 days of Jay. What excuse you gonna make today? But find good contractors, spend the money. Lesson learned here. It's only gonna make me stronger. It's only gonna make me stronger. One day this house will be done. One day, and then I can move on, get some tenants in here. But that's what's going on. I'm gonna show you, rewind back, show you the whole progress, and that is that. Another update, it's been raining like crazy in Michigan. One of my other rental properties, back to back, so this is a back to back issue, but this isn't, I have tenants in there, and it flooded the basement from the rain. So the sewer water drain backed up and put about 8 inches of water in the basement. So that's what I'm working on this weekend. Now, I'm ethical and I care about my tenants, so I'm gonna do what's right. So I spent all weekend cleaning it, giving them hotel, let them stay at hotels, taking care of their trash. So I care. This contractor here doesn't care. So if you wanna increase your customer base or your value, it's simple ethics. care about your customers and what you're about. Because in this scenario, this dude, 30 Days J, doesn't care. Here's the current scenario. You can see outside. Yeah, see that all outside. Bathroom. This has got to get ripped out. Look at that. Oh shit. That's pretty jacked up. Nice little hole. The roof is not finished, and they left this wonderful pallet of shingles sitting in the neighbor's lawn, and we don't want the lawn to go dead, right? Mm-hmm. So we gotta move it. How do you feel about that? Fine. Only about 60 of these things. 20th excuse. Today was supposed to be the day that they were gonna finish it. Nobody's on the roof. So I wonder what the excuse is today. I wonder. Here's my bucket collection for in here. So this is the bathroom. Shingled, garage done, up to here. And look at the vent hole in the wood. It's not even covered up. Nothing is covered up. What the fuck is that? Tarped it. Yeah, you can see the roof's done there. Yeah, got the weight here holding it down. I think, I don't know if this is screwed down or not. Nope, it's not. So guess what, bro? You're getting one. Holding you down. So this roof is almost done. Here we have the big, huge second story. That's all that's left. So the second story and this. You know he's coming back because he has his ladder and all his tools sitting here. Here's the tarp. I had to call him to get this done, but the damage is already done, sir. Damage is already done. Thank you so much.